Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Generaitiv token. Ticker symbol is GAI. This token just got listed recently on CoinGecko. Token price today is about 12.4 cents per token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Generaitiv token. So Generaitiv .xyz is their official webpage. That's spelled exactly how the token is spelled up there in the title of this video. And you can find that listed on CoinGecko along with their Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, price chart, and contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the GAI token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan, their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the Tokenomics. And just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So besides that, if you go over to their webpage, it says their beta app is live right now. And it says try it now. You can click on that. It says model creators, collectors, and artists. And they have a full white paper on their webpage. They also have a link to Uniswap, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and a chart on here as well, a DEX Tools chart. But you can also find the chart on CoinGecko now. So if you click on their white paper, it's not too crazy long. It's only a 10-page long white paper, so it's not like a super tiny print or anything like that either. It says, Generaitiv is a community-driven AI platform built to empower AI contributors. We recognize and reward your efforts through scalable grassroots approaches. Generaitiv AI's platform integrates existing and new monetization mechanisms to provide an improved experience and opportunity to monetize your work. AI should be open, decentralized, and accessible to all. The benefits of artificial intelligence should go to the community and not be censored or controlled by any one company. Join Generaitiv in shaping the future of AI technology. So some of the launch features involved in this platform here is they have image generation. So using the Generaitiv AI or peer-created models to generate unique images from text prompts to image inputs at no cost. Also, model provenance. Secure your network with an immutable record of your model's provenance using decentralized technology to verify if your AI model was used to create an image. And lastly, NFT marketplace. Use Generaitiv's NFT marketplace to monetize your art on the Ethereum blockchain with the click of a button. So it talks about royalties on here. So you can train your AI. You can artists use your model to create images, and then artists sell art created with your model, and then you get artists receive royalties, and then model creators receive a percent of the MP fees. And so it kind of goes in a big circle, and then that goes back to train your AI, and then over and over again. Generaitiv abides by the ERC 2981 standards for respecting royalties. Proceeds of sales will go to the artists, and the platform will support AI model creators. So there is a total supply of 10 million tokens. 7 million of those tokens go to liquidity. There is a 5% tax on buys and sells. It actually doesn't even say what the tax goes for. Maybe it says somewhere else. Yeah, that's kind of weird. It doesn't tell you what the tax goes for. Probably development or something like that. If there's no info, it's usually like development. Now, actually, let's check on their Ether scan here. See how many. Okay, so there's 688 holders so far. There's also 18 decimal places on this token as well. So within the ecosystem, there is the treasury. There is the token buy and sell tax. Okay, so here it says 1% taxes go to liquidity pool, 4% taxes development and marketing. So there you go. That's what the tax is. So there's staker benefits. Let's go down to here. So the tokenomics of GAI staking are represented by the following equation. Amount staked, block withdrawn, block you started staking, reward payout at block, and total amount staked at block. So there's a formula for all that there. With each iteration of your reward grows, the fraction of the amount you own of your GAI token staked multiplied by the reward of that iteration. Now on the roadmap here, it says they started with phase 1 NFT marketplace. It says that's out already, so that's probably what the app is where you could click on try beta version. And they also have the AI image generation, AI model royalties, creator royalties, and gasless listing. And then they launched the token. What's coming up next is they're going to have model provenance, model analytics, GAI staking, prompt masking, and then stage 3, decentralized AI computing, post-generation image editing, in-painting and out-painting, on-platform social tools. And then stage 4 is going to be hosted services. So decentralized model training, decentralized computing, AI music, AI videos, and AI text. And then it says, ready to get started? Check out beta.generative.xyz and start generating images right away. Create images, train models, and get rewarded with generative today. So there you go. That's what you could try out in the beta version. And then it says, looking for a career in AI, connect with us. And you can connect with them, and then they have their socials all at the bottom as well. So they are hiring. So go check that out as well if you want a job. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.